Meghalaya's Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma, joined by Arts and Culture Minister Paul Lyngdoh, inaugurated the groundbreaking ceremony for the renovation, redesign and modernization of the State Central Library Complex in Shillong on March 6, 2024. Arts and Culture Minister Paul Lyngdoh reminisced about a bygone era when Shillong town was a hub of evening entertainment, with the State Central Library bustling with audiences enjoying plays and performances by various cultural groups. Regrettably, he noted the decline of such cultural vibrancy in present times.
We thought it prudent to make use of these funds that have come, and also, as I mentioned to the Chief Minister, wherever there is shortfall, which certainly will arise, for the Chief Minister to be kind enough to part with some more funds in order for us to be able to have both a space for drama and plays here and also for a cineplex. When it comes to plays and drama, Shillong has had a rich legacy. It has been a fertile ground for evening entertainment. As a college kid, I would recall that this hall was always packed, and you had performances by the Rimpai Theatrical Center, the RTT, the HTCWO, and for a dash of humor, there was the Seng Birya Ukasi Sbuk. Now all that has died. That culture has died, and we need to reawaken and give it a fresh lease of life.
During the event, Conrad Sangma highlighted that the refurbished library will feature cutting-edge amenities tailored to meet the diverse needs of the community, especially the young people, so they can showcase their talent and be witnessed throughout the world.
We have laid a very strong foundation where now we are on the path of actually moving forward and taking the state forward to new heights. The process that we have laid down in governance today, without going into too much of details, I'm happy to tell you that in almost every sector that we have, we are seeing a very, very strong growth when it comes to the overall performance and economic development of the state of Meghalaya. Whether it's the road sector, whether it's the water sector, even in the power sector, you will see that we had a lot of challenges. But I can assure you that in the days to come, even this particular year, you will see a huge difference in the overall power scenario in our state. And in the years to come, I hope that we will be able to give a permanent resolution to this entire power crisis that we face. And let me assure him and the department
that not only the additional funds to make this particular phase of the project successful, whatever additional funds required to do other projects also within this campus, we are happy to support. We will definitely give all the necessary funds required. This must become a center where we have talented youth coming in and being able to showcase their talent to the world, exchange with each other, learn from each other, and it should become a very lively campus. That's really, I think, what we should try to do. So we can have so many other things. There's enough space in this area. I hope that the plans will come out in that angle, and I hope that we'll be able to make this into a really happening, lively, and a vibrant place where different forms of art and culture can really come in and can really be explored and improved. And as I said, we can have our youngsters show their talent.